Hey guys! So for today's video, samahan niyo ako sa aking trip papuntang Manila at saka food trip, and I'm still with Gigi and Carl. See ya! Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more videos. Thanks for watching. It's currently 5 in the morning. Our flight is at 6 and my end of shift is 6 a.m. as well. Actually, hindi pa ako nakakapag-end of duty dyan, guys. So, bumabiyahin tayo ngayon papuntang Manila. And we just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Thank you so much to my supportive friends for filming this video. Was able to take a snap with pilot Cheska, a pilot and a TikTokers, and also the captain of this flight. And naglalakad na kami papuntang arrival area. And tonight, we have plans with my old colleagues and yung ate kong muntika ng sumemplang dyan. So, nasa labas kami ng airport, diretso kami ng Rizal, kung saan kami magsistay for this trip. So, meet AC guys, and makikita daw kami dito sa McKinley Whiskey Park. Ayan, konting picture muna sa entrance. So, and I'm here to catch up with my old friends at saka party lang ng konti. At hindi na po tayo nakauwi. So, what I did is I waited for my friends to end their shift, and we had breakfast at Cantor Freestyle, and I'm with Ate Lay and Kuya Carl. Thank you so much! Sobrang busy ng schedule at ito, nagpahinga lang ako ng konti at saka bumabiyahe na naman ako kasi imimit ko si Ate Hana, and we're currently at BGC, and makikita kami nila Ate Mel. Here's Ate Mel with TL Bry. So, konting catch up lang. Minsan lang din tayo pumunta ng Manila. Magrarambol pa yan. As you can see guys, may nag-aaway pa pala sa baba. Pauwi na ako niyan. Gigi is actually waiting for me. And eto, nagpapaalaman na kami nila Ate Hana and TL Bry. Nauna na sa amin umuwi si Ate Mel. So, what's gonna happen is, pupunta kami dun sa Lawson kasi andun si Carl. He's also with his friends. And ipipick up na lang siya namin para sabay-sabay na kami umuwi sa Rizal. And here we are in Lawson kasi masarap daw yung matcha nila, kaya must try. And we are now traveling to Baguio, so I have a separate video for our Baguio trip. So please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Please, maawa kayo. Kidding. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more videos. Thanks for watching. And we are now back in Manila guys. So, bumabiyahe kami papuntang Mega Mall kasi kakain daw kami sa Din Tai Fung. Sabi daw masarap dun eh. And And nandito na kami sa Mega Mall, ikot-ikot lang and nafe-feel namin yung konting gutom. So dumaan muna kami sa Popeyes while we're waiting sa mga ibang kasama namin kakain dun sa Din Tai Fung. Window shopping lang guys, wala tayong pera. And the long wait is over. So, nandito na tayo sa labas ng Din Tai Fung, guys. And, ayan, meron silang open glass na makikita mo kung paano ginagawa yung Xiaolongbao. And, ayan, nakapasok na po tayo. And ate is teaching us how to make a Xiaolongbao sauce.
Sana ganun din ako
3 parts po for the rice mix.
Pay attention, guys. Parang strict si ate.
And here's your sauce po for your
Voila! And there you go. The sauce is done.
pork Xiaolongbao po, 2 orders of 10 pieces. And join with your sauce, just be careful. Thank you.
Ito.
So, ayan, magsastart na kami kumain, guys. So, pasensya na muna. Kakain muna tayo. And come join us.
Excuse me po.
Akin yun na.
Ay, dapat.
Unli lobster.
And wala talaga akong masabi sa sarap ng food ng Din Tai Fung. So, anyhow, ayan, kakain na tayo. Kita nyo naman siguro yung ngiti ko dyan, guys. Parang abot hanggang tenga. Pero, that Xiaolongbao, masarap talaga siya. Din Tai Fung, it's 10/10. Discover nyo na lang din, guys, kung magkano yung naging bill namin dyan. Just so you know, guys, we are all from Iloilo. Guess where I am? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Binondo, Manila. So, ayan, maghahanap tayo ng makakainan. Samahan niyo ako, guys. And we are here in Chinatown. And ayan, naghahanap na kami kung saan kami pwedeng kumain. So, let's walk. Come and join us. So, ito yung first Chinese food kung saan kami kakain. And kagabi lang kami kumain ng Xiaolongbao. So, another Xiaolongbao. Di ko na masyadong maalala yung in-order namin dyan, guys. Pero masarap sila lahat. Yung pasty bread na ito, guys, masarap din siya. We got this from Lord's Toast. And must try talaga tong fried siopaw kasi ang haba ng pila. Blockbuster talaga, guys. So, pag napadpad kayo ng Binondo, you must try this. And we also tried this bread. It tastes like bitchokoy in Iloilo. And we're done with Binondo. Ito, naglalakad na kami papunta sa ferry terminal kasi sasakay kami ng ferry ride papuntang Guadalupe kasi pupunta kami ng BGC. And good thing is when we try to ride this ferry, and actually it's for free and we enjoyed it. And madadaanan natin yung Malacanang Palace, so it's not allowed to take videos or pictures kasi baka confiscate yung gadgets niyo. And we just arrived in Guadalupe Ferry Terminal, so we're just waiting for a grab papuntang BGC to try the matcha Tokyo kasi meron silang 100% organic matcha and I loved it. And my Manila trip is done. Mauuna akong uuwi kina Gigi and Carl pabalik ng Iloilo. So it's a rainy weather yung biyahe natin, and eto na, nasa airport na ako. Thank you so much again for watching, guys. That's all for today. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share this video.